Hey guys, very good morning, Fabio here. Hope you guys are all well. Hope you had a good Monday and welcome to this new daily market outlook for Tuesday. So yesterday, no trades from my part. However, we did see an algorithm profit trade as per usual now. So if you want to make use of the algorithm as well, make sure to check out the website. Link is in the description down below. You can find its verified results over there. And if you have any trading related questions, just feel free to join the free Discord. So yeah, let's dive into this video. Hope you guys enjoy and let's see what is going on. So looking at the dollar index at the moment, what we can see is that the dollar index pulled back in towards that daily zone, or daily line, of course, daily baseline over here at 93.884. So what we're currently seeing is a push down a little bit lower in towards this initial 1 hour zone. So this is not a really strong 1 hour zone. The next stronger zone will down below over here at 93.516. So this is my zone number 1. This is my zone or level number 2. And of course, after that, we have level number 3. So these are kind of like the 3 areas which I am looking for the dollar index to form some support and yeah, see some rejection from these levels. So that's initially it. After that, I hope we will still see a push in towards the highs, at least in towards 94.370. So yeah, that's the dollar index for you. Let's head over to our first pair, which is Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar has been crashing down beautifully. So what I'm currently looking at is potentially a further push. Would like a little bit of a further push, then a pullback back up in towards the highs to then look for further short-term downside in towards this zone number 1. So currently we are located in some demand located over here. As you can see, saw a spike into it and is currently rejecting from it. So this is your area of demand. So now what we're looking at is a potential pullback back up in towards this area of demand before looking for further downside in towards, let's say, 0.74159. This is our fib over here, our initial fib. Let me just adjust it. So yeah, as you can see, perfect minus 27 fib extension level hit as well. So now a retracement back up in towards the highs would not be surprising. Let's just wait and see. Would love to see a pullback back towards this trend line, back towards supply, and then look for further downside. That's kind of what I'm going to be looking at. Let's say we do crash down further. I'll just be waiting for this zone to get hit at around 0.74159. So let's head over to euro dollar. So euro dollar is currently reaching 1 hour areas of supply. So this is our first area of 1 hour supply. After that, we got some supply over here and some supply over here. So a lot of supply zones on our way up, but this being the main one that I'm currently watching, mainly because the dollar index also has an area of demand near it. When this area of supply gets hit, the dollar index will likely hit 1 hour supply or demand, and we could see that inverse correlation playing out. So the 4 hour is of course bearish as of now. Daily is essentially also bearish. 1 hour is also bearish. Everything is essentially bearish. So let's just see if we get any reaction from these 1 hour areas of supply soon. So yeah, that's it for euro dollar. Let's head over to pound dollar. So pound dollar is a little bit less clear in my opinion. Not really waiting for anything. Gonna be honest with you guys. We got some supply up above over here. So let's just wait and see if we can see a pullback in towards the highs soon. That would be most favorable for any trades to possibly be taken. Looking at the daily, yeah, daily is just currently reacting to this imbalance over here where we are currently in. So it could form support. This is not a real strong imbalance, but it is an imbalance which could make pound dollar form support. But let's just wait and see. Preferably I would love to see a push eventually in towards 1.34706, but for now, yeah, pound dollar is not really clear. We do have a nice area of daily supply located over here at around 1.37398. Inside that daily supply we have 4 hour imbalance, so I'm just going to be waiting for pound dollar to push up higher. If it doesn't push up higher, it is what it is, but I would love to see a push higher on pound dollar before looking for further downside continuation to trade with that bearish trend back downwards. So yeah, let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar is currently just still consolidating, as we can see. Really messy pair, not really a fan of it at all. As we can see, yesterday we reacted to these 4 hour imbalances over here. This is also where we formed resistance. Yeah, not much to be said on the rest. Just ranging, so I would probably just want to skip this pair. Of course, we had a 1 hour trendline break over here, essentially break for the trend. Currently just reacting to some 1 hour imbalance over there. That's why we saw that push down yesterday. However, during these kind of setups, when the price or when the market is this consolidative, it will always be very risky. So let's head over to gold. And gold, I'm waiting for gold to start pushing further down in towards the downside, currently rejecting this area of supply. Furthermore, 1 hour fake out on the Asian high. So I am expecting a further push in towards the lows. Love this fake out on 1795, 840. If I then draw in the fib over here, then we can see perfect 618 fib retracement as well. So yeah, just going to be waiting for further downside, expecting a further push down. Might be getting into a short soon, depending on lower time frame price action. So yeah, that's essentially it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just feel free to join the Discord server. If you want to make use of the algorithm, make sure to check out the website. Link is also in the description down below. Wish you all a fantastic day, and we will speak soon. Thanks, guys.